Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Noura Shahri. Today me and my group will talk about the ERP system in Almarai, specifically the dairy section. I'd like to start by asking a question. Have you ever wondered what actually keeps a huge company like Almarai running smoothly every single day? I mean, when we think about dairy production, we picture milk, cheese, and maybe yogurt. But what about everything happening behind the scenes? How do they track thousands of products, manage quality, and make sure everything reaches stores on time? Well, that's exactly what me and my team wanted to explore in this project. Today, we'll talk specifically about the dairy division in Almarai and how bringing in an ERP system completely changed the way their operation works. Before ERP, things were more disconnected. Production data here, inventory numbers there, distribution updates somewhere else. Imagine trying to make fast decisions with all that information scattered around. Very stressful, right? But after using the ERP system, everything became connected in one place. Production, quality control, inventory, and distribution started talking to each other smoothly. Decisions became quicker, delays dropped, and even small things like tracking ingredients became way more accurate. This kind of coordination doesn't just make the workflow faster, it makes it more reliable and more efficient, and honestly, seeing how organized the process became with ERP makes you appreciate the amount of work behind every single bottle of milk or cup of yogurt. So in this video, we'll walk you through the process of Almarai ERP system and how ERP helped Almarai improve efficiency, reduce mistakes, and stay one of the leading dairy producers in the region.
I am Fida and I will talk about Almarai's background and challenges they faced before using ERP system. Almarai is a leading company in the food industry established in 1977 by Prince Sultan bin Mohammed bin Saud Al Kabir. It is ranked fourth globally among the most valuable dairy companies, showing its strong market presence and brand reputation. The company manages the entire value chain from raw materials to the final product. This means Almarai produces, processes, and delivers its products while controlling every step. While this is a strong advantage, it also creates the need for a system to manage and organize all the data across these operations. It ensures products remain fresh and the quality is maintained until they reach consumers. Because Almarai manages all stages of production, having an ERP system is essential. Before ERP, each department worked independently, recording data in separate tables with different formats. This caused data to be inconsistent, scattered, and hard to share across departments. For example, in a dairy production, the farming department checks the health of the cows and records how much milk each cow produces. However, this data was not automatically shared with the operation department. As a result, the operations team sometimes didn't know the exact amount of the available milk, causing delays in production planning. Later, the sales and distribution department also faced challenges because they did not have accurate production data, making it hard to prepare deliveries for customers on time. It clearly shows how separated data leads to inefficiency and coordination problems. Inventory management was another challenge. Without real-time data, overstocking caused spoilage and high storage costs, while stockouts frustrated customers. Mismatches between system records and actual inventory also lead to overselling or underordering. Finally, expanding to new factories or production lines was difficult. Because each department operated separately, these issues caused data inaccuracies, redundancy, and delays in management decisions. Using an ERP system helps solve all these problems by linking departments and providing accurate real-time information for better planning and decision-making.
Hello everyone, I'm Lynn Kayal, and now I will continue with the description on ERP system. Almarai uses SAP S/4HANA ERP system to keep all its work organized and connected. Instead of each department working alone, the ERP brings finance, inventory, HR, and sales into one system. This helps the company move faster, avoid mistakes, and make better decisions because managers can see real-time data. Almarai also uses metric stream for risk management and PIM to keep products details and prices consistent across the platforms. By moving the system to the cloud, Almarai can update tools easily and run operations smoothly every day. This system makes Almarai more efficient, more prepared, and able to handle future challenges. Main module includes operations, track inventory, production, fresh products flow. Finance handles financial data and expenses. HR manages employee, payroll, attendance, and transfers. PIM organize product details like description, prices, and photos. Risk management detects and manages risk to keep the business stable.
I am Jenna, and today I will present an overview of Almarai business processes in the dairy division. I will explain the three main layers: management processes, core processes, and support processes, and how they work together in an integrated system. This diagram shows how the dairy division operates as a fully integrated value chain, from raw milk production to delivering final products. It is organized into three layers: management, core, and support. Each layer plays a specific role in ensuring efficiency, safety, and product quality. Management layer represents the strategic and governance function. This includes enterprise management, communication, process oversight, quality assurance, risk and opportunity management, and innovation. These processes make sure the entire organization follows a clear direction and complies with laws, quality standards, and internal policies. Then we have the core processes, which are the heart of Almarai business. These are the activities that directly create value: producing, processing, distributing dairy products, managing customers, operating farms, and maintaining the infrastructure that supports production. Production starts when raw milk arrives from dairy farms several times a day. The milk undergoes strict quality tests. If it meets the standard, it's pasteurized to remove harmful bacteria. Then it's processed into products such as fresh milk, yogurt, cheese, and ice cream. Finally, products are packaged and stored in cooled warehouses. Customer interactions is an important part of Almarai operations. The sales teams continuously communicate with retailers and distributors to manage orders, promotions, and product availability. After-sales support and customer feedback help the company to maintain long-term customer loyalty and improve its products. Almarai operates one of the largest cold chain fleets in the Middle East, with more than 8,000 refrigerated vehicles. Routes are planned daily for timely delivery. Each truck is monitored using GPS and IoT sensors to ensure temperature stability. Transport performance is evaluated regularly to reduce delays and maintain product freshness. Almarai runs some of the world's largest fully integrated dairy farms. Operations include herd planning, animal welfare, and nutrition designed by specialists. Almarai invests heavily in infrastructure. This strong infrastructure ensures the company can operate efficiently and maintain high product standards. Finally, support processes. Support processes do not create products directly, but they are essential for smooth and uninterrupted operations. For example, HR manages staffing and training. Finance handles budgeting and reporting. IT supports the ERP system and cybersecurity. Procurement acquires needed materials, and facility services maintain buildings and equipment.
I am Aisha Kaf. And in this part, I'm going to highlight how dairy operations at Almarai were completely transformed after applying the ERP system. And honestly, the difference between before and after is huge. Let's start with farming and milk collection. Before ERP, everything was manual. Cow data, milk quantities, schedules. Information took time to move, and production teams often worked with outdated numbers. After ERP, all the data became live and centralized. The moment milk is collected, factories can see it instantly. This means better planning, less waiting, and more accuracy. Moving to production and processing. Before ERP, each plant worked alone using spreadsheets. This caused delays, confusion, and a lack of visibility. After ERP, every stage from receiving the milk to processing, packaging, and sending it out is tracked automatically in one system. Everyone sees the same information at the same time. This made the whole production line faster, smoother, and more reliable. For quality control, the change is even more important. Before, results were written on paper. If there was a problem, it took time to communicate. But after ERP, quality checks are uploaded instantly, and the system can flag any issue immediately, which protects product quality and customer safety. Next is inventory. Before ERP, stock levels were never fully accurate. Delays in updating records caused overstocking, shortages, and even waste. After ERP, inventory updates instantly across all warehouses, which helps reduce waste and improve product availability. Then, distribution. Before ERP, deliveries depended on old information and manual coordination. After ERP, distribution terms rely on real-time data about stock, demand, and routes. Deliveries became faster, more accurate, and better optimized. And finally, decision-making. Before ERP, managers made decisions based on scattered, inconsistent, or delayed information. After ERP, they have real-time, reliable data, so decisions across the dairy operation became faster, smarter, and much more confident. So overall, with ERP, Almarai moved from disconnected manual processes to a fully integrated, fast, and data-driven dairy operation.
Hi everyone, my name is Farah Al-Atabi and my university ID is 2312408. I will talk about the benefits and outcomes of the ERP system in Almarai company. It was also mentioned earlier that Almarai company is one of the leading companies in the dairy industry, and the use of the ERP system in Almarai company has many benefits and outcomes. Among its benefits, first, improve efficiency, quality control, and inventory management by automating routine tasks and process, facilitating the tracking of raw materials and products. Improving inventory management leads to providing accurate demand forecasts and reducing storage cost and inventory shortage. Second, it improves the accuracy of data and reducing duplication by adding a centralized information and data. It also assists in making decisions and strategic choices. There are also many of its outcomes, including, first, it increases its operational efficiency and reduce the cost and production times. Second, it improves product quality and financial performance by improving quality control, reducing defects, improving cost management, and the accuracy of financial report. Third, enhancing competitive advantage through rapid response to market demands. Fourth, greater customer satisfaction, and this improves and strengthens the customer relationship. In the end, the using of the ERP system enhances operational efficiency and customer relationship, which reduce cost and increase profits.
So, in conclusion, the ERP system has played a major role in strengthening the overall performance of Almarai Dairy Division by integrating the division's core management and support processes into one unified platform The system creates a more organized and coordinated work environment. This integration helps the division operate with greater clarity, consistency, and confidence across all its daily activities. With better communication, smoother workflows, and more reliable access to information, teams are able to make faster decisions and maintain strong alignment with the company's goals. These improvements contribute directly to sustaining high product quality, meeting market expectation, and supporting Almarai's leadership in the dairy industry. Overall, the ERP system adds real value by bringing efficiency, structure, and stability to large-scale operation, making it an essential tool for keeping the dairy division running effectively and ready for the future growth. Thank you all for listening.